MOGO Online has 6 main sections: patients, appointments, transactions, notes, messaging, and reports. If this is the first time you're logging into MOGO Online, you will be taken directly to the appointment book after entering your login information. This is a setting, however. You can opt to have the patient search page open instead of the appointment book. Before we go to the patient page and look at adjusting that setting, now let's take a look at the appointment book since we're already here. You'll probably notice that MOGO Online's appointment book is very similar to the appointment book found in the MOGO program. This is designed to make using MOGO Online as simple as possible. On the right side of the page, you have the schedule itself, with all of your appointments as scheduled in MOGO. Notice how the appointment blocks will match the colors you set up for your appointment types in MOGO. If you hover over an appointment, or click on it if you're using a mobile device, you get a pop-up window with all information pertaining to the appointment. You should also notice that the same appointment icons are present on MOGO Online that you have in the program, letting you see e-reminder status as well as confirmed appointments. We will look at the process of scheduling a new appointment in just a minute, but I want to go over other options first. If we right-click on an appointment, you can see that the menu that comes up is very similar to what we see in the program. We can access the appointment to make any edits you need. You can take the patient through the appointment check-in and out flow, mark the appointment, confirmed, left message, rescheduled, canceled, broken, or hidden, enter a note for the appointment, view the patient's notes, or access their transactions. On the sidebar, we have some of the same toolbars as in the program as well. On top, we have the calendar, so we can navigate through the appointment book. Notice that the +3 and +6 month buttons are available just like in the program. These buttons will automatically move either 3 or 6 months into the future, +1 day, to make scheduling recall appointments easier. If you're on a different date in the calendar other than the current date, you can click Today and automatically navigate back to the current date. If you utilize the patient picture function in MOGO, the patient's picture will display on MOGO Online as well. If you do not want to view the picture, you can collapse the toolbar by clicking on the arrow. There is also a setting for which operatories display on MOGO Online. By clicking on the arrow on this toolbar, it will expand. Simply check off the operatories you want to see and click Apply. If your office utilizes the Daily Notes feature in the appointment book in MOGO, you will be able to access those same notes as well as enter new notes from MOGO Online. The Settings toolbar has some appointment book specific settings for MOGO Online. As we saw before when we right-clicked on an appointment, MOGO Online lets us take our patients through the check-in and out flow. You have the option, just like you do in the program itself, to have the check-in and out panel pop up when you highlight an appointment. You can also set MOGO Online's appointment book to display appointments that are hidden, canceled, broken, or rescheduled. The last toolbar is the legend for the different symbols found on the appointments in the appointment book. Now, let's go over how to schedule an appointment. Just like in the MOGO program, you have a few options for scheduling a new appointment. You can click on an individual time slot and right-click to choose New Appointment. You can click an individual time slot and hover over the appointment book icon and choose New Appointment. You can select multiple slots to select multiple units for the appointment and choose New Appointment from the right-click menu, or by hovering over the appointment book icon. No matter how you get there, the New Appointment screen looks very similar to the New Appointment window in MOGO. Choose the provider, patient, length, and appointment type. Mark the appointment as tentative or emergency if applicable, and enter in a description or notes for the appointment. By clicking OK, the appointment will be saved. Just as appointments scheduled in MOGO show on MOGO Online, when you schedule an appointment on MOGO Online, it will automatically display in MOGO. Editing an appointment is done in the same way, and the screen looks the same as when scheduling a new appointment.